Have you ever heard a strange barking noise coming from an aircraft? If so, you're not alone. The culprit is hydraulic pump called the Power Transfer Unit, or PTU. Unlike most pumps, the PTU is hydraulically powered and maintains pressure across the aircraft hydraulic systems. Passengers seated near the wings will most likely hear the barking noise, which can be mistaken for a bass or high-pitched whining sound. It occurs when the pressure differential between the green and yellow hydraulic systems reaches a certain level. Now, while the barking noise can be a bit jarring, it doesn't indicate any engine problems. It may continue to operate even when both engines are fully functional. If you hear the barking noise on your next flight, you can rest assured it's nothing to worry about. The PTU is simply doing its job of keeping the aircraft safe.